Hello people, so I had just found out that my Hoover Concept 2 electronic works. So, here, let me turn the power strip on. Here's how it sounds. Sounds a little bad, but self-propelled works. First on low speed. Sounds pretty good. How loud is it? Pretty loud for a vacuum. Alright, so let me put the... Now let's do a little demo on it. Do it on flush. Yeah, that's good. Alright, here we go. First on. Self-propelled runs like Sonic the Hedgehog. Alright, so anyway, that does about it for the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you have one of these. See ya.